Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix text messages not sending in Samsung Galaxy A35. If you're using Galaxy A35 and you're facing the issue that your text messages are not sending, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. If you're sending your messages over your Wi-Fi or your cellular data or your network connection, or if you're sending network SMS from your SIM or from your SIM balance, so I have to make sure that you have enough credits or enough balance in your SIM. But if you're still facing the same issues, you can keep a long press on your messages app, click on this info button or icon here, just scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and you can also try to clear data. And once you have done, just go back. Now reopen your messages app here. You have to re-sign in with your Google account. Now this time you might not see that issue. Sometimes it might be there's any app issue or an application glitch. With due to you might see these type errors. Or you can also try to go to Play Store here, go to search for messages over here, search for message. You might see Google Messages here, and you have to make sure that your messages app is up to date. You might have an update button over here. If you find this how to update your message app, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll on Control Center, click on this power icon, click on Restart, and just click on this restart button again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.